It's my belief that the Patentable magnetic motor here that I've back engineered is an unpatentable concept. Patentable magnetic motor. It's really a trade name for a repulsion circular engine. It's a basic design. Patentable has 3. This gentleman here, he's got about 5 or 6 rotors. This gentleman's got 3. This gentleman's got 5. This guy's model is 3. So it's basically a concept. It's not a patentable design per se. I'm giving clues and instruction on how people can take the basic concepts and turn them into a specific design that they can patent or not. The basic art and science of this engine design is to figure out what the optimal angle to place the magnets is so that there's a slight resistance on approach but a powerful kick once the magnets are face to face, and that way they keep pushing each over a reciprocal tipping point and keep pushing each other over in a slight manner. But when you got 12 magnets on 3 or 4 wheels, it all adds up. I'd say it's no more patentable than a haiku or a basic structure of a argumentative letter or a inquisitive letter. And just like the cotton gin and the shoestring, the idea is so basic that it's near impossible to patent the concept. The angle combination and the distance of the angles from each other is what makes this thing work and makes each individual motor different. And determining that is like the secret of how this thing can work. And I've never seen them explain why they chose a particular angle or why they chose a particular spacing between magnets. So that's why I would make a gauge that gave a numeric value to the approach and the retreat, or the approach and the power. So I made this simple gauge so that you could see by pulling it one way how much resistance you would get in the power mode, and that was measured with a torque wrench against a slide scale, and then I pull it the other way to see how much power it took to get the magnet to come up to the magnet on the approach side. I later on came up with a rotary edition of that, which is a little bit more complicated but more to the point of what we need for a magnetic repulsion wheel engine. They say Patentable's design has been around for 100 years or more, and it does seem pretty fanciful and amazing, but Patentable had it going and was about to go to market when he was and that's probably the last we'll hear of that design.